In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay lower for car insurance with Progressive as a 22-year-old in 2026. If you're in your early 20s, you already know car insurance can be expensive. The good news is that there are several practical ways to lower your premium without guessing. The key is to review your policy carefully and make sure you're only paying for what truly fits your situation. Start by going to Progressive and comparing your coverage options. Take a close look at your liability limits, your deductible, and any optional coverages included in your policy. This matters because younger drivers sometimes end up with protections they don't actually need, or coverage choices that are higher than necessary for their budget. The goal here is not to cut important protection, but to make sure your policy is balanced and cost effective. Next, look for every available discount. This is one of the easiest ways to reduce your rate. Check whether you qualify for savings like a good student discount, multi-policy discount, multi-vehicle discount, homeowner discount, paperless billing, automatic payments, or paying the full premium upfront. Even small discounts can add up, so it's worth reviewing each one carefully. Another option is to increase your deductible. In simple terms, that means you would pay more out of pocket if you have an accident, but your monthly or overall premium could go down. This can be a smart move if you have enough savings set aside to comfortably cover that higher deductible when needed. Just make sure you choose an amount that feels realistic for your finances. You should also consider enrolling in Progressive Snapshot. This is a usage-based insurance program that looks at your driving habits. If you drive safely, this may help you earn a lower premium. For a 22-year-old driver, this can be especially useful because safe driving behavior can work in your favor. Of course, one of the biggest factors in keeping insurance costs down is maintaining a clean driving record. Avoid speeding tickets, accidents, and other violations whenever possible, since these can cause your rates to increase significantly, especially for younger drivers. It's also worth improving your credit where permitted. In many states, insurance companies may use credit-based insurance scores when calculating premiums, although some states do not allow this.